Very good morning to all. I hope you are ready with your books, pencils, and copies. So, today we will study English Reader. The lesson which we are going to read is chapter 4, that is a poem. And the name of the poem is Mice. So, I start with the chapter, but before I recite the poem, I will like to give you a brief intro of mice. So on your screens, you're seeing a mouse. A mouse is a small rodent. When I say rodent, rodent is a mammal like rat, mice, squirrels, and hamsters, and many more animals come in it. So again, I say rodent is a mammal like rat, mice, squirrel, and hamsters, and there are many more. Mice is the plural form of mouse. Mouse is a singular form, and mice is the plural form of mouse. So you see there's a mouse with small babies. So a baby mouse is called a pinky. A baby mouse is called a pinky. A male is called a buck. B-U-C-K, buck. A baby mouse is called pinky. A male is called a buck. And a female is called a doe. D-O-E, doe. So again, I repeat, a mouse is a small rodent, and a rodent is a mammal like rat, mice, squirrels, hamsters, and many more animals. And mice is the plural form of mouse. A baby mouse is called a pinky, a male is called a buck, and a female baby is called a doe. So now we will start reciting the poem. Firstly, I will recite the poem and then I will explain you stanza wise. So look at the screens. So this is chapter 4, Mice. This poem is written by Rose Faliman. Rose Faliman, she's a poetess. Poet is a male, poetess is a female. It is written by Rose Faliman. Whenever you recite a poem or learn a poem, you should always remember the name of the poet or the poetess. So at the top, it is given, who am I? I'm a small animal. My name begins with M. I love to eat cheese. I'm a mouse. You have to write, I'm a mouse. So firstly, I'll read, I'll do the recitation, then I'll explain you stanza-wise. I think mice are rather nice. Their tails are long, their faces small. They haven't any chins at all. Repeat the first stanza again. I think mice are rather nice. Their tails are long. Their faces small. they haven't any chins at all. Their ears are pink, their teeth are white. They run about the house at night. Their ears are pink, their teeth are white. They run about the house at night. The third stanza, they nibble things they shouldn't touch, and no one seems to like them much. But I think mice are nice. They nibble things they shouldn't touch, and no one seems to like them much. But I think mice are nice. Now, first, I'll explain the first stanza. Firstly, I'll read, I think mice are rather nice. Their tails are long, their faces small, they haven't any chins at all. They think that I think mice are rather nice. Rather means used to indicate one's preference in a particular matter. Rather means used to indicate one's preference in a particular matter. So the author says, I think these mice are nice. Their mice have no tails. They have no, the mice have long tails. Faces are small, but they don't have chins at all. The mice have long tails. Faces are very small, but they don't have chins at all. We human beings have chins, but mice do not have chins. Second stanza, their ears are pink, their teeth are white. They run about the house at night. That means the ears of the mouse are pink in color. They have their teeth are white. They run about here and there, everywhere at night, especially at night, because all are sleeping at that time. As all are sleeping at the time, so they get a chance to move here and there freely. So they move here and there freely. So ears are pink in color. They have, their teeth are white. They run about here and there, everywhere, wherever they like at night, because all are sleeping at night. There is no noise at night. There is silence. So they get a chance to move here and there freely. And wherever they get anything to eat, they eat. And you know, those mice moves very fast. They move from one corner to another corner. The third is they nibble things they shouldn't touch, and no one seems to like them much. They take small, nibble means they take small bites of food. Whenever you see rice is there, flour is there at home, sugar, everything, whatever they get. Especially you see these mice are available in the kitchen at night especially. So whatever they see, they eat. They take small bites of food. Nibble means to take small bites of food. They shouldn't touch means no one likes their touch. They shouldn't touch means no one likes their touch. And no one likes to see them much. Many of you ask them, do you like my? They'll say, no, no, we don't like. Because we see that many people, especially children and ladies, they don't like it. There's some children are so much scared, even they, by chance, they say the mice is running, they get scared because they don't like their touch. But at the last, but I think, according to the poet, when it is written, I think means the poetess is saying. And who is the poetess? Rose. See, Rose Flamen. But I think mice are nice. So who is saying? The poetess Rose Flamen is saying, you are saying this or that, so many adjectives we use for mice, but still, I think mice are very nice. So we should love them. We should not hate them. So I will give chance to one girl. Everybody will not get, they will read today. We'll do the reading skill because every time you are writing on the screen, today I'll ask someone to read the first stanza. When I say the first stanza, that means I think mice, from I think mice to chins at all. I'll go. I hope you understood the poem. Now, Daman, Damanpreet,
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Damanpreet, can you read the first stanza? I think mice to chins at all. Please read louder so that
I
yes.
I thank my
No,
I
dear.
think mice are
Rather
rather nice.
very good.
Their tail are long.
Skills. Okay.
Their face
Faces. Okay.
small.
Okay.
They have an eye.
Okay. There are little bit mistakes you are doing. That's why I'm doing reading today. They haven't. They haven't. Say.
They haven't any
Yeah.
chins at all.
Very nice. Very nice. Now I'll go to the next one. She'll also read the same so that you get a practice. Rasgun,
Yes, ma'am.
read the first stanza. Again, repeat this.
I think mice are rather nice. Their tails are long. Their faces are small. They haven't any chins at all.
Nice. But think when you're reading, don't be very fast, especially when you are reciting a poem. When you read fast, so in between, you make mistakes. So I'll read again. I think mice are rather nice. When full stop is there, you have to give a pause. And when comma is there, you have to give a small pause. Their tails are long, their faces small, they haven't any chins at all. Okay, I'll go to the next. The next girl will read the second
Thank you,
stanza.
ma'am.
Okay, dear. Gori,
Yes, ma'am.
Gori, you read the second stanza. That means there is a pink to the house at night. Read slow. Yes, begin.
Their ears are pink. Their teeth are white. They run about the house at night.
Good, it's what better. I'll read. Their ears are pink, their teeth are white, they run about the house at night. Good. The same thing, one more girl will read. Kashvi, Kashvi, read the second stanza. Their ears are pink. Start reading.
Are pink. Their teeth are white. They run about the house at night.
Good, good. Very nice, very nice. Pankuri,
Yes, ma'am.
Pankuri, the third stanza and the last line also you read because there is only one line left. They nibble things from there to are nice. That.
They shouldn't
Be louder.
touch, and no one seems to like them much. But mice are
But I think,
nice.
okay, I'll read once for you. They nibble things they shouldn't touch, and no one seems to like them much. But I think mice are nice. Once more, one girl more will read the same thing.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Jacqueline,
Yes, ma'am.
you read the last one, last stanza.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, dear, you read the last. Yeah,
They needle things.
it's nibble,
They
nibble, and
needle things. They they shouldn't touch,
yeah,
and no one seems to like them much, but I think mice are nice.
Very nice. You read only a little bit mistake. That was
you,
they nibble. Okay, they nibble things they shouldn't touch, and no one seems to like them much. But I think mice are nice. Good. Today you did this reading skill also.
ma'am.
That's good. Very nice. Ruhani.
Yes, ma'am.
Ruhani, I will tell you. I'll ask you a question. Okay, so you look at the screen, just wait for 1 minute or 2 minutes. Yes. Yes, are you looking there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you only speak. I'll put a tick mark. There are 3 options. Mice have dash tails, long, short, and thin. So which one is correct?
Ma'am, long.
Okay, very nice. I will put a tick. So mice have long. I put it a blue tick mark. Mice have long tails. Good. Kavya? Kavya?
Yes, ma'am.
Second one.
Yes, ma'am.
Question. Their faces are dash, big, small, wide.
Small.
Okay, very nice. Their faces are small.
Ma'am,
So
small.
we'll put a tick mark there. Okay, nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Kyra,
Yes, ma'am.
third one. They have dash ears. Is it yellow, pink, or blue?
Ma'am, pink.
Okay, I will put a tick mark there. It's pink, correct.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Parinidhi,
Yes, ma'am.
Parinidhi, fourth one is mice have dash teeth. Is it white, brown, or red?
White.
Okay, they have got white teeth. One.
इसे हम चैप्टर में पढ़ाया भी नहीं क्योंकि यार अगले साल ना थैंक
Some
यू मैम
voices. Okay, dear. Some voices coming from somewhere. Namanpreet. Naman.
Namanpreet.
Naman is hearing my voice. Naman.
Yes, ma'am.
Naman, the fifth one is for you. They do not have dash, nose, chin, or eyes. They do not have nose, chin, or eyes. Which one is correct out of the 3 options?
Chin.
Okay. Chin is correct. Very nice. Harneet.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Harneet, I'll ask you a question. Wait, I'll clear everything. Now, Harneet, what you have to... Wait, I'll just... 1 minute here.
मैं बताऊंगी इसको क्वेश्चन आंसर क्या नहीं पता
Yes, Harneet. Look at the screens. What is this word?
nice
Mice. So what you have to do, you have to make sentence. Make your own sentence.
Ma'am, the mice run very fast.
The mice,
Run very fast.
it should be the mice runs very fast. Run, okay, run is better. The mice runs very fast. Okay, whenever you are making sentence, you take care of the tense also. Okay, no problem. It's good. Now, 1 minute here. Sanvi,
Yes, ma'am.
Sanvi, you look at the screen and you make your own sentence. First, see, which is this
Ma'am.
word?
Chin.
Which is the chin? No, chin, chins, isn't it? Okay, you make sentence. Whether it is chin or
Okay,
chins, you make sentence. Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, dear.
I have one chin.
Okay. I have one chin. Okay. Good, good. Nice. Shivanya Charak.
Yes, ma'am.
So you see the word?
Okay, ma'am.
What is it?
Nibble.
Nibble. Okay. You have to think for this. Make a sentence. I know this is little bit difficult than the previous words. So you think, nibble, and tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, dear. Make sentence of this, dear. Nibble. Meaning I told you nibble means to take small bites of food.
Ma'am,
Yeah, take your time, dear. Try. If you don't know, no problem. I'll go to the next.
ma'am, no.
Okay, no problem, dear. Aisha? Aisha Malik? Aisha is not able to hear my voice. So I think I'll go to the next. Avneet,
Yes, ma'am.
can you make sentence of nibble?
The mice nibble food at night.
Okay, good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Sehaj?
Yes, ma'am.
Sehaj, look at the screen. What is this?
Okay, ma'am.
Nice. Okay, the word is nice. So you make your own sentence. Yes, dear. Make sentence.
The picture is very nice.
The picture is very nice. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, dear.
प्यार से बोला मैम ने ऐसे किया है
Sharma? Atik?
Yes,
Dear.
ma'am.
Atik, I'll just ask you the 1 minute. There's no need for this. We'll just come out of it. And just a minute. Yes, Atik. Can you hear me? Yes. There you please tell me the spellings of mouse. This
M-O-U-S-E, mouse.
good. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'll go to the next page.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Parinidhi,
Yes, ma'am.
Parinidhi, tell me the spelling of nibble.
Ma'am, what?
Nibble. The spellings of nibble.
N-I-B-B-L-E. Nibble.
Okay, very good. N-I-B-B-L-E, nibble. Okay, 1
Thank
minute.
you, ma'am.
Okay. Vedika,
Yes, ma'am.
Vedika, tell me the spellings of mice.
M-I-C-E.
Very nice. M-I-C-E, mice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Daisel,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the spelling of chins. Not chin, chins.
C-H-I-N-S.
Very good, very nice. Kushti,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the spelling of tails.
T-A-I-L-S.
Tails. Okay, very nice. Girisha,
Yes, ma'am.
look at the screen. I'll ask you. Look at the screen there. Girisha, the first stanza we have read now, I think mice are rather nice. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
This okay. You tell me there which are the nouns here. We will underline them. Okay. Noun we have done. Noun is the name of a person, place, or a thing. So we will just search for nouns. You tell me which are the nouns. Yes, dear.
Mice.
Yes, 1 minute. I'll underline mice. Good. Any other? If you don't know, I'll go to the next. No problem. Okay, no problem. Which one?
Tails.
Tails. Yeah. Okay. Yes.
Chin.
Chins are there? No, chins. Then anyone is left?
Face.
Faces is written there. Okay. Okay. Nice, nice, dear. All you have done. Now we'll ask someone else. Sargun.
Yes, ma'am.
Sargun, we will go to the 1 minute.